Hey crypto crew! Today we're diving into the nifty world of hardware wallets again, and the spotlight is on this device here, another credit card size wallet. This is CoolWallet Pro, and it is a splendid portable device for secure storing and management of cryptocurrencies. As someone who's reviewing hardware wallets every week, I've got the lowdown on this little guy here. Could this be the slick solution that you've been looking for? Let's find out. Roll the intro. The CoolWallet Pro is an upgrade to its predecessor, the CoolWallet S. Upon unboxing, the package includes the CoolWallet card, a charging pod, a mini USB charging cable, a comprehensive getting started guide, and 2 recovery phrase sheets. The card's durability stands out. It's constructed from thick plastic, very much like any standard debit or credit card. It's less than 1 mm thick and 6 grams light. The card features a small e-paper display for basic navigation, a serial number for mobile app pairing, and a single-click button. An encrypted Bluetooth connection facilitates communication with the CoolBitX app, allowing users to manage funds securely. The device is water-resistant and tamper-proof. However, don't be tempted to submerge it in water because it has the electronic display. Also, the button and the charging pod could be at risk. It is durable for both hot and cold temperatures, ranging from -10 to 60 degrees Celsius. I personally like the fact that it's portable and super lightweight. This makes it really good for on-the-go, everyday kind of use. As with all hardware wallets, security is above all. The CoolWallet Pro offers exceptional security features. The secure element is a top-tier standard in the hardware wallet industry. This chip ensures the private key never leaves the device. It's a military-grade data encryption, and it's a huge improvement not only over the previous model, the CoolWallet S, but over many other hardware wallet devices on the market, like Ledger Nano S or X, which use EAL5+, or Trezor, which lacks any secure element. Additional security measures include a user-generated password and biometric authentication. The CoolWallet Pro offers a seamless user experience with its credit card-sized design, like its predecessor, the CoolWallet S. The device operates with the help of a mobile app via Bluetooth connectivity. The CoolBitX app can be used to send and receive crypto, to monitor wallet balances, to trade crypto, view your transaction history, and even staking of certain crypto assets like Polkadot, Atom, and Tron. A built-in Web3 browser makes it easy to use decentralized apps and NFT marketplaces like OpenSea. The wallet offers the ability to create up to 5 accounts. When receiving and sending, it's possible to switch between these accounts to separate different deposits and expenditures, which is very useful for me. I use this a lot with other wallets too. A great feature in my view is the integration with MetaMask and other Web3 wallets, allowing us to interact with DeFi and various NFT marketplace platforms. The MetaMask pairing is done via QR codes, and it enables you to navigate your accounts directly from MetaMask, offering flexibility to users who prefer the MetaMask interface. In regards to NFTs, a couple of prominent players dominate the marketplace scene. OpenSea and Rarible stand out as the leaders, with OpenSea being most popular for Ethereum-based NFTs and Rarible predominantly handling Binance Chain-based tokens. The CoolWallet Pro seamlessly incorporates both of these platforms, offering users a convenient and integrated experience. Impressively, this tiny device has support for over 12,000 coins and tokens across 27 blockchain networks, including popular ERC20, BEP20 and TRC20 tokens, or NFTs. Although NFTs cannot be displayed on the screen of the device, you can interact via Web3 wallets via the Wallet Connect feature. Setting up the CoolWallet Pro involves downloading the CoolBitX app and scanning the QR code in the guide. During initial setup, it's crucial to insert the card into the charger to ensure a full battery. Charging takes approximately 4 hours and gives it about 3.5 weeks of usage. Firmware updates are going to be released regularly. They enhance functionality and they're initiated by holding the button here. And this process can take around 5 minutes with a potential 10-minute duration. And it's very likely that when you first set up your device, when you first receive it, you might be prompted to upgrade the firmware because most likely there will be some newly issued upgrades after the device was originally manufactured. The device generates a 12, 18 or 24 words seed phrase, and you can also import seed from a previous wallet if you are migrating from another device or a hot wallet. Here I want to point out that the recovery seed phrase is the most important piece of data. You have to store this really secure and safe from any physical damage, water or fire or dust. The recovery seed is all you need to gain access to your account, even if you lose the device itself or it gets damaged. The recovery seed is what you will import into another device and you will get access to all your crypto accounts. But this also means that if anyone finds this seed phrase, your crypto is gone. Always protect the recovery seed better than anything else. I use metal plates like the one here by OneKey, or this one is from Elipo. There are many different brands on the market and I have reviewed some of them. You can check out this video that I posted recently. It will show up at the end of this one as well. But definitely, safeguarding your seed has to be your biggest priority. Do not overlook this. Well, despite its merits, the CoolWallet Pro is not without criticism. Priced at $150, it faces stiff competition from other hardware wallets in its league, like Keystone, for instance, or Elipo, or the crypto card Tangem, this one here, which I reviewed very recently. However, its unique display and the button on the card itself contributes to user-friendliness and portability. The charging cable is micro USB, a format that seems to be on its way out. A USB-C would be more convenient. I don't think I have any devices that are still using the micro USB format, and the short charging cable is also a minor inconvenience. More importantly, from customer feedback, I see that the customer support is lacking, which is something that I want to see improved. Battery life is another frequent complaint. I haven't used it heavily to notice this, but other users report shorter battery life than the 3 weeks I mentioned. The device is rather tiny though, so this doesn't surprise me. Other wallets that use a battery typically hold a charge for more than a month, so this is something that could be improved too, in my opinion. On the plus side, ease of use, size, design, security and compatibility with all major blockchain networks are all great features. It's a portable, lightweight device that can be ideal for day-to-day operations. DeFi and Web3 interoperability is certainly an advantage. Additionally, 2 more devices could be connected to the same CoolWallet account. In this case, the first linked device must always agree to prevent abuse with the wallet, to prevent unauthorized access. This means easy backup. In conclusion, CoolWallet's track record since 2015 is commendable, while the CoolWallet S faced a vulnerability back in 2020. The Pro model remains ultra secure. Whether you're a beginner or experienced user, the CoolWallet Pro offers a user-friendly and portable solution, making it a secure choice for safeguarding crypto and digital assets with added flexibility for Web3 and DeFi interoperability. Being priced around the $150 mark, it's within the range of its competition. It's a great value considering other devices of this category go for $180 and above $200. Alright guys, well this wraps up my review of the CoolWallet Pro. If you found this helpful, show your support, leave a like, and if you want to get this device, use my discount code Crypto Corner. You can apply it at checkout with the link that I dropped in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out the other videos and the links that I have in there. The link to my free ebook is also there, and you can join my crypto newsletter that I send out twice a month. I share market analysis and insights that don't make it into the videos, so it's worth getting on my email list. And while you're here, just pick another one of my videos, and I'll see you there.